This is a summer camp for children where children can create whatever their imagination, like use their creativity. We have a lot of leftover materials, wood materials, plastic and everything. They can use saws, hammers and glue guns and put things together. They can paint it afterwards or decorate it with different things. And we are here for 2 weeks this summer, and there's a few weekends. And we also do some competition where the kids make small boats and it runs down a hill and then out in a pool. And it's the fastest boat that wins and the most creative. And we also have, we're planning to have a salmon or a fish race in the river here. We have a river running through Oslo. So the kids are gonna cut out fishes in wood and then we're gonna drop them from the bridge. So, but this whole thing is about to get the kids to use their hands. This under the bridge here is every year by this Oslo bydel Gamle Oslo, which is this part of the city. So they arrange like these activities. This is the first year that we are here with this kind of things. Hopefully we'll be back next year. We are a organization called Vi alle, which is well, we are all. We're all kids. We are arranging activities in Central, in Línd area where we have a workshop. We arrange small courses and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll be in many places, Deichman, libraries, schools as well, kindergartens. So we are traveling around.
Well, we want to bring the creative forces out to the kids and the world and show that you can make a lot of things with only, what people call trash, recycling. You don't have to use a lot of money and stuff. You can create with everything.